There are a couple different types of hibiscus. Now, this is known as the hardy hibiscus, Hibiscus mosquetos. It will grow all the way from Georgia, northern parts of Florida where it gets cold enough, all the way into Ontario, Canada. So it has a wide growing area. It can handle the cold. What you do in the spring is you cut it back to the ground, probably to about 6 inches, probably early, mid-spring, before it grows. And this type of hibiscus comes in white, pink, red, and this one is one of my favorites. It's called Lord Baltimore. Huge, giant flowers. Some of the new varieties have smaller flowers, probably a third smaller, but I enjoy the large, giant flowers. Those of you that have been to Florida or Hawaii might see what are known as the tropical hibiscus. They're a little shorter. In most cases, they have a wide variety of colors: pink, lavender, maroon, maybe blue, or a little bit of blue. But they will freeze. So in our climate, they will freeze. Some people grow them outdoors on a patio or bring them in during the winter months. So you have a choice between the two, but for outdoor gardens, I like the hardy hibiscus. Now, how do you make more of these? You can't collect the seed. They're not going to come true to this. They're all going to be different if you collect the seed, which becomes available in about 2 months. But you can take a sharp shovel or a spade. At the base of the plant, you're going to see stems looking like my hand facing up. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to cut this maybe in a third and another third. Or what some people do to propagate plants is just dig 1/3 of this clump. And don't make the mistake I made. My dad always says, fill in the holes. If you don't fill in the holes, he'll end up tripping in them. So what you want to do is take out part of the plant that you're going to plant elsewhere, then take some of the surrounding soil and fill in the hole that you created. But go out and enjoy hardy hibiscus. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.